ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to do a dumbbell workout for your back.
So we have 8 total exercises, and we're going to do them in groups of supersets. We have 2 supersets of each group. Our working time is 30 seconds and our break time is 15 seconds. And in between the groups of supersets, we'll then take a 30-second extended break. Let's get to work. We have about 15 seconds remaining. Our first and second exercise of our first superset are clean pulls, one with the left hand, one with the right hand. So we got 5 seconds till we begin.
Just remember left. Start with this one.
Alright, here we go. So we're coming up, and then we're just pulling it like an upright row. All the way down, and then up. This gives you a little bit of momentum to help work. Here we go. Nice smooth motions. 10 seconds left. Start feeling those traps burn. There we go. 15 seconds, we're going to the right hand. Feel it already? Right up here?
Yeah, I do.
Doesn't seem like it'd work much back, but it sure does. Alright, let's get ready. Right hand. Here we go. So we're not doing a typical clean here, where you'd actually rotate that elbow up under it. We're just pulling that weight up. Come on. Halfway. Nice controlled movements. A little struggle's great.
Yeah.
A few more. One more. Alright, there we go.
As I get tired, I start to smash it.
Going back into that left side. Here we go. There we go. This is a good warm-up right here. 10 seconds left, come on. Let's keep pulling. There we go. Good reps. All right, on to our last set of this one. Going to that right hand. Oh, there's no water.
I have some.
Here we go. Apparently I lost it.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh well. Come on. Here we go. Last 10 seconds. A few more. Come on. One more. There we go. Alright, we got a 30-second break. Then we're moving into bent over close row and shrugs. We will need 2 dumbbells for this one. Go. You ready?
Yes.
Alright. We go bent over close rows. You want to keep those dumbbells close to your legs and kind of pull them back towards your hips. Keep your elbows nice and close. Feel it in those lats, kind of like the side of your back. Here we go. A few more reps. Here we go. Alright, we're going into shrugs. I'm actually going to use different ones. Alright, let's get ready for some shrugs. Here we go. Lift those shoulders. Get that squeeze at the top. You shouldn't be bouncing to get your shoulders up. 10 seconds, come on. Let's go. There we go. 15 seconds. Back into close rows. Almost halfway done. Where is he going? He's like, I like the heater today. Here we go. Come on. Remember, keep it close to you. As you can see, with Jen, she's got it. She's going right up her legs to her hips. Keeping them those elbows back. Come on. Here we go. Get that squeeze, 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 squeeze. There you go. Come on. There we go. Woo! Burning. Working that back. All right, going back into shrugs. Last set of this superset. Let's get ready. Here we go. Shrugging it out. Come on. Let's get you that nice defined back. Get those muscles poking through. There we go. 30-second break. Ooh, there we go. All right, we're going to be moving in to single arm, bent over, wide row. So we're going to have a staggered stance. We're going to be pulling it with one arm at a time.
And some water?
Sure. Since I lost mine. This is just a single dumbbell. Here we go. With these ones, go a little bit wider, almost like a neutral pull. It's not super wide, it's not close. Should feel it like right between your shoulder blades. Here we go, come on. Let's push it. Woo, there we go. All right, switching sides. Feeling good.
Oh my goodness.
Ladies, if you got something coming up, we're gonna be wearing an open back dress.
Ooh.
This is the workout for you. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Get that squeeze. Come on. Push it. Let's go. Looking good, mama. Looking good. Woo. There we go. Halfway through this one. Push yourself. Get that burn every rep. Get that squeeze. Flex that back. Here we go. Let's get ready. Good controlled movements. Don't forget to breathe. Grunt if you need to. Come on, 10 seconds, let's go. Feel that burn, come on. Here we go. All right, we got one set right here. One set left. We're moving on to our final superset. Sweat. Get my sweat on quick, especially with the heater. Here we go. Come on, last one. Get that squeeze. Don't forget to breathe. Squeeze. 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 Come on. Let's go. 10 seconds. Come on. Let's push it. Woo! Come on. Last one. All right, 30 seconds. We're moving on to our final superset. We're going to be doing good morning exercise and scapular rows. So our first one is just one dumbbell. Our second exercise is both. I'll probably use both these the whole time. So for these good mornings, put that chest up, or put the dumbbell up and curl it. And then we're going to be bending at the lower back or lower spine. Slight bend in your legs. This is very similar to RDLs. The RDLs you bend at the hips. This you're trying to work your lower back. Good controlled motion. Do a nice light weight. You don't want to strain your lower back too hard. There we go. Alright, scapular rows. For scapular rows, your elbows should not really bend. They should stay straight. And you're just moving your back. The scapular muscles right between your shoulder blades. So you're going to bend over. Almost like a bent over shrug.
Cash, what's wrong?
He's stuck. There we go. Really get that squeeze. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. There we go. Woo.
Hey, buddy. What happened?
Going back into good mornings.
What happened? There you go.
We got a couple seconds. Let's get ready.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's wrong?
You hungry? There we go. Good controlled motions. If your back's straining, go to a lighter weight. Hey, you can do it with him.
I know, I was just thinking.
There you go. If you got a crying baby, you just got to incorporate them. There we go. All right, last one. Scapular rows, and we are done.
Oh.
He's like,
No.
Want me to try to do it with him? Here you go. You gonna do it? Yeah.
What's
There we go.
wrong?
Come on.
What's wrong?
You gotta make do with what you got. You got a crying baby. You just exercise with him. Come on. 10 seconds left.
Oh, you're okay.
Squeeze those shoulder blades. Here we go.
Okay.
There we go. We are done. Somebody's hungry, huh? Good workout. Way to use the kid. With some resistance.
Yay.
If you enjoyed this workout, smash that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought. Let us know what you want to see more of. And until next time, see you guys.